Shares on the New York Stock Exchange shot up on Tuesday after the US central bank aggressively cut interest rates. The Federal Reserve's historic 0.75 of a percentage point cut sent Wall Street's main index, the Dow Industrials, soaring to close ahead by more than 4%.
I think they're desperate to stimulate the economy. They're really worried about all the economic indicators. However, I don't really think it's going to do that much because the fact of the matter is 70% of our GDP is from consumer spending, but the consumers are already all tapped out.
The rate cut, which is within striking distance of 0%, ensured the once mighty US dollar fell sharply on foreign exchange markets. The rate cut, designed to kickstart the ailing US economy, came on a day of more grim data, showing just how bleak things are here. The headline rate of inflation saw its biggest monthly decline since records began, down 1.7%. The core rate, minus food and fuel, was unchanged. Also on Tuesday, the number of new housing projects begun fell by an equally sharp amount, and economists expect further steep drops in the future as builders walk away from projects. And former investment bank Goldman Sachs turned in a huge quarterly loss, its first since becoming a public company. Another terrible day of data on Wall Street in Lower Manhattan, and here in Upper Manhattan, the lack of oversight and the corruption that led to the global economic meltdown are also having their effect. This is Yeshiva University, one of many charities and foundations across the United States who trusted their money to the one-time Wall Street guru Bernie Madoff. Madoff is the former Nasdaq stock market chairman who was arrested last week on securities fraud. He's accused of running a Ponzi or pyramid scheme, paying off one set of clients with money from another set. Yeshiva University, whose endowment was already down by several $1 million after turmoil in the stock markets, isn't the only institution affected. Elite Swiss banks, prominent billionaires, asset management companies, and wealthy retirees have also lost millions of dollars. Outside the university, the students had mixed views.
I think they just got greedy and it was a stupid decision. If something's too good to be true, it's too good to be true.
It's sad to see someone deceive people like that, but yeah, no.
College will survive?
Yeah, college will survive.
The students may be confident their university will survive its unwise investment decision, but they must wonder what the world of work is going to look like when they finally get to graduate. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, New York.